So, bro, first and foremost, I would suggest that you build a portfolio. In that portfolio, there are three questions that you need to answer first. Why are you doing what you're doing? How do you do what you do? And what do you ask in return for doing what you do? Okay. Now, an example of this I will give you. Let's say you go to Instagram and you are interested in clipping videos. So you actually clip 5 videos or 3 videos, put it on your Instagram before doing anything else, because that will give you the confidence that yes, I know clipping, I can do clipping, and this is what happens when I do it. That will also give a reference point of your skill level to the person who is actually coming to you to see whether you can clip or not. That's the first thing I would suggest. Okay, build a portfolio. Now, this portfolio does not necessarily have to be clipping. It can be a portfolio of designing, graphic designing. It can be a portfolio of doing social media marketing for some other client, and you show the statistics so as to, when I actually took this client's project, I was getting these many views, but after a month I got them these many views. Here are the screenshots. So whatever you want to do, the first thing is you'll have to have some kind of a proof for it, because people will not give you any work until there is proof. Okay, that's part one of the entire story. That will then build relationships with people. Once you have this proof, right, then you will also have confidence that yes, my product is of value, people want it. So now you start building, parallelly you start building relationships. Let's say you don't have an idea on what product to build, so you talk to people and understand, hey, so I wanted to start clipping, I've started doing it, I've done these 3 videos already, I can do it for free for you if you allow. In return, please give me a case study or a testimonial. You take that, build upon it, and keep building and keep building and keep building. So this is the path to go, and this is the same path in clipping, the same path in marketing, or building online income streams through courses or social media or products or whatever else. So those are the path steps I would take if I were to do though. No, so these portfolios are nothing but examples of what you will deliver when you work with someone. Let's say if you are delivering videos, clipped videos, so your portfolio should show examples of how you would clip videos. If you're delivering marketing, your portfolio should show how your marketing should look like. If you're delivering anything, it should just show, like someone should be able to see what is that. For example, if I'm coming to you and I'm telling, hey bro, you want to buy, I have this mouse, do you want to buy this? Now because you see the mouse, you can buy it. If I don't have a mouse, I'm like, bro, I have an amazing mouse, I'll give it to you, do you want to buy it? You'll be like, which mouse? Bro, there's one mouse. After you make the payment, I will show you. You won't buy it, no? Yeah, you have to show the mouse. This is the mouse you will get. And then when you give it, you have to give this mouse. So the portfolio is, let's say today you take anyone's video, anyone you like, Alex Hermosi, Iman Ghazi, whoever. Take their 2, 3 videos, cut it, put it on your Instagram. When someone asks you how you make these videos or what videos you make, you can show, see, I make like this 3 videos I made. But if you're at zero, nobody believes you. So that's the way to get started. Make one thing. What else? Yeah. Build something to show what you can do. Depends on your level of clarity. If you do not know what you want to do, then you do a bunch of things and in the process figure out what you want to do. That is only possible if you have leverage of time. If you don't have any responsibility or liability that is on your head, then you can experiment with a bunch of things and then you can find something that you enjoy doing. But if you have any kind of responsibility, liability, or something on your head that's kind of like bothering you, because of which you need to fix money problems, like basically you need to earn. And if that's your priority, then I would suggest pick one thing, stick to it, because it's like if you want to create fire, if you use a normal glass sheet, it does not take the sun's rays and makes it all focused and burn through the leaf, right? But if you take a lens, it takes all of those rays and burns through, and then you get the fire. So you can choose. If you're not sure where you want to be, do a lot of things. But if you are like, I want money, then do the things that are already proven, already done by others. Make the money, and then again you can go and explore how much ever you want. Is this giving you any clarity? So initially when you do something, you should have the mindset of giving. You should not worry about the taking initially if you're new, because you haven't established confidence within your own abilities. You haven't established proof and trust to build a relationship with your potential client, because of which if you charge them, the pressure will be higher. So do it for free, build that confidence and case study, and then your inner voice will tell you how much effort it took. Then whatever you feel comfortable, you ask for that. Don't go with market standard and everything. Whatever you feel comfortable, you ask that money. As and when you start feeling more comfortable, you will automatically start charging higher and people will pay. Don't ever let the market dictate the price. Yeah. So I was saying, your inner self will tell you how much to price it. If you feel that this is $100, you ask for $100. If you feel that this is $1,000, you ask for $1,000. There is no harm in asking. When you ask, they will tell you whether they can pay it or not. You keep it transparent and be like, see, I charge $1,000 for this. So then they will tell you, oh, I don't have $1,000 to pay for this. At that time, you say, okay, how much do you have? So they say, I have $500. So you say, okay, in $500, I can do this, this, and this. Okay. Now to reach this point of being able to ask for $1,000, your journey will start with free first, and then maybe $10, and then 100, and so on and so forth. But don't try to be like, oh, because see, in the market, there'll be someone charging $10. There'll be someone charging $1,000. How are you going to decide which one you need to charge? For the same thing, they'll be charging these prices. So you need to decide based on your abilities, your confidence, and your experience. How do you make more connections without feeling like, without making them feel like you're selling something? The same way that I connected with you. You just give immense value for free and then let them decide if they want to like probably go and pay you for anything. They will. The game is giving. If you learn how to give, then people will come to you. But in order to give, you should have. In order to have, you have to invest. What do you have to invest? You have to invest your time. When you invest your time, you will have. That have, when you will give, then they will come. I'm talking energetically. Yes. And initially, don't even like offer anything. Just go trying to connect. Be inquisitive and curious to understand if they have any challenges. Be open. Say that, I'm new, I'm learning. So I just want to know if there is any problem that you face that I may probably be able to solve for you. I have specialities in this, this, and this. Otherwise, they'll tell you some problem. You'll be like, I don't know how to solve that. But when you say, I have a specialty in this, this, and this, they will tell you problems in that area if they have that problem. It's all about being authentic and being yourself. Do not try to think that you can fool someone into something. Just be authentic and be like, I'm new, I don't know, but I'm willing to do. Can you help me? If you do this to like 20 people, 50 people, I'm pretty sure at least 5 people will respond. Maybe one will close. Yeah, so I'm actually building a community called WOP India, where I am training people to do this for me rather than me doing it, because I'm in the game from 20 years. So in the last 20 years, I've done like more than 1,000 video shoots and things like that. So I'm kind of bored and tired of doing that. I want other people to do it. So now I teach how to do it. I have cumulative 10 million views every month on my Instagram channels. On just one channel. I have a lot of new channels coming up. Yeah, so you just go to a WOP, go to one of these WOP channels where there is a good payout, and go to the Discover tab. Once you're on the Discover tab, you will see payouts, content rewards. Go to content rewards, and inside of content rewards, you will find people paying X amount for certain number of views, 1,000 views. You join them, follow the instructions thoroughly, and upload your videos, and you will start getting paid by WOP. The best marketing strategy to get more views is to be authentically yourself. If you're creating face videos, portrait videos, if you're using faceless videos, then the strategy is to pack it with the right hook, the right substance, and the right payoff. So there's like a simple structure. There's always like a 3-part structure. The hook is an introduction to what's coming up. The substance is the value within the hook, and the payoff is a summary of what was discussed. If you follow this base structure for all your videos, they will get higher reach. You have to just follow the base framework. There's like a 3-part. There's like the hook, the main content, and the ending. That's it. You always follow these 3 parts. Within these 3, you can make anything in the world. Like everything that you see online is already in this format. You see any viral video, you will see there's a good hook, there's a good payoff, and in between there's good substance. Hook, substance, payoff. Payoff is basically the summary. The hook, whatever you said in the hook, you have to deliver that in the payoff. For example, bro, I'm going to show you a mouse which helps me scroll 10 times faster. That's the hook. This mouse also enables me to scroll left to right. which is not possible in general mouses. The company behind this mouse has been building mouses from the past 20 years. And here is the mouse. So this was the payoff. You waited for this. The hook was, I have a mouse. Yeah. And in between whatever I said, the explanation was substance. Yeah, the conclusion. It's like open, explain, conclude. Or you can make it even better. You can call it introduce, explain, conclude. That's it. Yeah, yeah, absolutely. Just send me a message and I will reply. If it's like, if you have these questions listed out like this, drop them in there. I will answer. But if you give me like all questions in one paragraph, then I can't answer. Yeah. No, if you give me 10 questions, I can answer them. But if you give them all in one paragraph, it's like too much to type. I will not necessarily answer all 10 questions at one go. Probably I'll answer one now, one later, one like that. I'll answer, keep answering. But you can do that. You have to go to discover. After you go to discover, there is another search inside. That is the search. You can do it either directly on the URL where you type google.com. You can directly type aiwarp.com. No spaces, no dash, nothing. aiwarp.com. You got it? Yeah, yeah, I'll approve it right away. Just join it, I'll approve. So once you're done with joining that, I'll approve it. Inside the warp, this is basically to build your warp using AI faster. So inside this, whatever questions you have, you keep dropping them and I'll keep answering them there so that everyone else who wants to also have those questions answered, they can get it. You can send me a message on Instagram, same username, BrandingBum. Everywhere you just search for BrandingBum, you will find me. Sure, awesome. I'll see you in there. If you have anything, just let me know. Cool. Peace. See ya.